kuri antu mara makoragwo makirigista macibitari Kenya metagwa Kmpdc. Antu mau Kmpdc nimo maligistaga mandagitari na bando no maligistaga cibitari. Ko na cibitari nyingi ni cia mandagitari. Koguo ni tukuona gutibu ungikorwa nwe urifali na timu ire kuthaka ni yaku. Koguo kwa timu ire kuthaka ni yaku na nwe urifali ukenderera timu inu nundu ni timu yaku. Koguo tukali komedi bunge ati kurigista macibitari na kurigista mandagitari itikaluthwo ni body imwe. Nundu ikiruthagwa ni body imwe ni gugwikara kwina conflict of interest.
Na ni turathie tukona ko thibitari cia veto license citakinyanirie ikiro iria ciagiriirwo ni gukorwo nacio. Ukona thibitari ni eto level 4 na tine ikiro iria ciagiriirwo ni gukorwo cina thibitari ya level 4. Ukona ringi mundu ni arakwira ekire surgery 29 na ni uramenya muthenya ukoragwo na 24 hours ukarigwo kayasiikaga atia.
Is this why Ministry of Education licenses or actually registers education facilities, and then TSC actually employs teachers to work in those facilities? And I think this is what should happen to Kmpdcu, so that we are able to separate registration and membership of the doctors, who most of the time are actually the owners of these particular facilities. But one of the strongest recommendations as it is coming out in our tours is that Kmpdcu is the elephant in the room and it must be dealt with.